Team, I want you to look for how I write the rule as an equation with variables. I can see with this table, the rule each time is add 6. So what we are doing is we are adding 6 to our x coordinate. We can rewrite this as x plus 6 equals y. Or another way we could write this would be y equals x plus 6. This makes sense because we are adding 6 every time to our x coordinates to get our y coordinates. I see the answer choice that shows x plus 6 equals y is D. Let's look at another example. It says, which equation can be used to express the rule for the table? I see this time I first need to find the rule. First, I can see that the y is increasing each time. So I know that we're using either an addition or a multiplication rule. I know 2 plus 4 equals 6. But 4 plus 4 equals 12, so the rule is not plus 4. I know 2 times 3 gets me 6, 4 times 3 gets me 12, 6 times 3 gets me 18, and 8 times 3 gets me 24. So what we're doing each time is we're taking our x coordinate, multiplying it by 3 to get our y coordinates. So what we have here is x times 3 equals y. Now, this looks a little funny to have a big x coordinate and then our little multiplication symbol. So there's another way, an easier way to write this so it doesn't look so strange. Another way to express x times 3 is to write it as 3x equals y. This makes sense because when we put a number next to a variable, that means multiply. Kind of like when we used to put numbers next to parentheses, that meant multiply as well. So when we have a number sitting right next to the variable, that means we're multiplying. So 3x equals y is my answer. I could also write this as y equals 3x. When I look at my answer choices, the only one that shows me 3 times x or 3x is B. So the two ways we can write this was 3x equals y or y equals 3x. Both are correct because they're both showing us how to solve for y.